Hey friends, we're going to start our next unit, which is going to be scavenger hunt for links. Now I said the word links. I want you to think, what is a length? A length is how long something is. Before we get into the lesson, let's look at our objective and our agenda. Our objective today is measuring lengths of objects in centimeters. Have you heard that word before, centimeters? What about the word inches? Those are two types of measurements that we're able to measure smaller objects with. Now we're going to be focusing on centimeters today. Let's look at our agenda. Today we're going to be doing a problems and investigation count around. We're going to have a scavenger hunt for links, and then we're going to go into a fun workplace. All right, looking at our first activity, we're going to be doing a count around. Now this count around is normally done verbally, but today we're going to be doing it virtually. We're going to start with a certain number, and each of you in turn is going to say that number that is 10 more. For example, if I'm using the number 8, the first person will say 8. The next person will say the number that is 10 more than 8, and so on and so on. You're going to record your own answers on the next slide. But let's look at this first. This is how it's going to look. I have the number 8 right here. Remember that we're counting 10 more than 8. So what's going to be the next one? What would be 10 more than 8? We have our number bank right here. 10 more than 8. I could also think about what 8 plus 10 equals what? If you're saying 18, that's correct. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drag mine right here. All right, on the next slide, you're going to continue to fill in the blanks. Remember, this is your number bank right here, not your word bank, your number bank. So as you keep going and you're going to draw, you can cross these out as you keep going. So we did 8, 18, 28. Think about 10 more than 28. What is that? I'll let you go ahead and answer the rest of them on the next slide.